In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a Docusign document with ease, whether you're dealing with a signer who missed the initial notification or simply need to ensure your document gets the attention it deserves. This step-by-step guide will simplify the process for you in just a few minutes. First things first, let's head over to the main Docusign website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Docusign. If you haven't been there before, Docusign is a top-rated platform for electronic signatures and managing digital agreements. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see a prominent button labeled Log In at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click to proceed. After clicking Log In, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Carefully type in your username and password and then submit the information to access your Docusign account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you already have one, we'll continue from here. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your command center where you can access all features related to your documents. Look for the Agreements tab, which is usually located on the main navigation bar. Click on Agreements to proceed to the next step. In the Agreements section, the interface provides you a comprehensive view of all your document dealings, from drafts to completed agreements. What you want to do next is click on the Sent folder. This folder keeps a record of all the agreements you've dispatched to your recipients, making it easy to manage and resend as needed. After accessing the Sent folder, you'll want to find the specific document that needs to be resent. Once you've located it, look for a small icon featuring 3 dots, usually aligned to the right of the document listing. Click on this icon, which will reveal a small menu of additional actions you can take. And here we reach the final step. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Resend. Clicking this will initiate the process of sending another notification to the recipient. It's a straightforward way to ensure your signers are reminded of pending documents needing their attention. So there you have it, you've successfully navigated the Docusign platform and resent a document, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, Docusign makes managing your digital agreements a breeze, and you're now equipped with the step-by-step know-how to resend any documents like a pro. If you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to reach out or check the Docusign support resources for more detailed assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.